Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a quick little natural hairstyle for y'all on my 4C hair. Girl, let me tell you, this is an old twist out, and I'm just gonna try to, make it look a little cute or whatever. So as you can see, I sectioned off the front part of my hair, and then I'm going to section off a medium to small piece on the side. I detangle it and then split that piece into two small subsections. So then what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of beeswax just to, smooth everything out. I'm going to add some oil to my hands just to moisturize my hair and also to moisturize the rubber band, because you want the rubber band to be basically oily so it won't pull your hair out. So yeah, that's what I did. Alright, so then I'm going to part another subsection, small subsection, and I'm just going to comb it out and then divide that into two as well. And literally, I'm going to do the same thing, add rubber bands to the small subsection. Now, let me tell y'all, these late night tutorials, listen, I barely be getting them done because I be so tired. But I'm like, I want to keep my YouTube channel up, so I need some content. So this particular night, y'all, I went to sleep, woke up at like 3 in the morning, and decided to do this tutorial. So, child, that's why I look tired. So anyways, what I did was I'm going to crisscross these boxes, and the next one I'll do will be easier to explain and to show you. So what I'm going to do is take this front box, twist it, and then connect it to the back box like so. And then I'm going to apply another rubber band to it to secure it together and to hold it nicely. Now, I'm not putting my rubber bands too tight because, girl, I don't want my hair to be yanked out. So I'm just making sure they're tight enough, but not too tight. So I'm going to part my hair in the middle, as you can see, and then we have subsections again, and I'm going to start off by parting it into four sections, well, three sections, but one side has, two sections, like a subsection. Hope that makes sense. But I'm going to start to flat twist it, going back just like this. The twisting is so easy. You can flat twist it or you can just twist it however you want. You can braid it too. That'll be really cute. But I just decided to go ahead and twist it. And then I'm just going to add a rubber band to the end. Alright, so then I just added one more twist right next to it. Now these two side sections that I have left, I'm going to put those in little square boxes as well. And I'm going to cross those just like a little X, just like I did on the side. But, super nice, super easy to do. Alright, so now that I have everything sectioned off into boxes, I'm just going to twist the first section and cross it over just like I did on the side and apply a rubber band. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other piece in the front as well. Alright, so this is how it's looking. Next, I'm just going to add some little jewelry to the style just to, give it a little extra oomph. Don't worry about my little edges. That's just there. Just there. I'm going to be doing those a little later in the video. So what I'm going to do after I have the front down is just focus on the back, and I'm basically just going to refresh this twist out. These are the products that I am using, and what I'm going to do is just to get like some stretch, some length, I'm going to braid my roots and braid halfway down, and then I'm going to twist the remaining of it, just because this method works for me when trying to stretch my hair. This is what works for me best, is to braid it and then twist it. Alright, sis, so this is how it's looking. I'm just going to throw my scarf on and let it dry overnight. Hey y'all, so I've took down most of my hair, but I have one left, so I can show y'all how I do it. So I'm just going to unravel the ends. Y'all, look at this eyeshadow. I did it. I did it. Anyways, and I did put a little oil on my head just to help with unraveling it. So this is how it looks. And I'm just going to take my comb and pick it out. I do notice my roots are more stretched because I did it this way. Oh, way more stretched. Ooh, I love doing my braid outs and stuff like this. Just, well, mostly my twist outs. Just twist the roots. Braid the roots. Twist the girl. Alright y'all, so that's all for this video. I really hope you guys like this tutorial. I love this look. Like, seriously.